what are you gonna receiving regarding our blasting shoot sandblaster siphon feed gun? First of all, you're gonna receiving a safety glasses, so you're always wearing. After you're gonna receiving a gun, you're gonna receiving a thin needle, a bottle with the appropriate needle that is gonna be putting inside the bottle directly. How are we gonna using this bottle? First of all, you need to fill it up. So you're gonna take in the sandblast and you're gonna put it inside. You're gonna take in the lid with the needle. Okay, really tight. You're gonna take in the gun and attach it directly to the needle. Perfect, like this one. When everything will be done on the bottom, there will be the air pipe attached directly to the gun. So you can start to shooting. And you can have this kind of result, like we was explaining before in the previous video. Before and after sandblasting. This is actually been using for a small project and small work, because it's gonna be flexible. You can carry with you, you can shoot in, you can fix in your working piece, and this is been using for a small type of work. So with this type of solution, you can be really flexible and you can do your job in a really fast time. If you have a big project, if you have a big work to do, you can also using the T-type needle. So you will taking out the gun from the bottom. Okay. You will attaching the T needle to the gun. Okay. The pipe directly on the T connection, and the end part of the pipe, it will be directly inside the sand. This is being using for a big work, big production, so you can have a unlimited sand to shooting directly on the surface. As soon as you finish your job, you remove the pipe, remove the needle, remove the safety glasses, and go to take a rest.